Hello, this is Kat at the Upcycled Cat channel, where we take thrifted finds and turn them into upcycled treasures. Today, look at what I got. Isn't it cute? If not a little bit boring and generic. I'm going to turn this into a cat jacket. And how am I going to do that? With this old t-shirt off of a child shirt. Join me and let's have some creative fun. This is a really quick way to upcycle a jacket, especially for a child. So this jacket is in really good shape. Somebody has distressed a couple of places on it. It is a very cute jacket. And I want to upcycle it by adding a bunch of kitties to it. This is from a little girl's t-shirt, and I have applied HeatnBond to the back of it. And I'm not sure how I'm going to apply the kitties to this. I'm not sure where I'm going to put them. I mean, I know how I'm going to apply them. I'm going to apply them with HeatnBond. I'm just not sure where I'm going to put them. I'm not sure what the most strategic place will be. I mean, on the one hand, if it were a bit longer, I could just cut it out and put it in here. But I want to do something more fun with that. And I want to put kitties all over the jacket. And I think it's going to look really super cute. So let's get started. So this is what I'm going to be using. And I've counted up the kitties. I've got 13 full kitties that I can use. I've got 4 partial kitties that I can use. And I have a couple of kitty heads that I can use. What I'm going to do is I'm going to cut these out. And then I'm going to figure out where I want to put them on the jacket. And I want to treat them sort of as patches. I'm thinking about that kind of layout, just random. I'm not sure. We'll see. But this is ready. It's got HeatnBond on it. It's all ready to go. Now here's another example of a t-shirt that you could use. And I would suggest for this project using t-shirts, t-shirt fabrics, because t-shirt fabrics never fray. And especially once they've been HeatnBonded, they're not going anywhere. The little fibers are not going anywhere. So this is a great project to do for children. And you can either use something that, like a shirt that the children love, but it's just so old and raggedy now that it's just not wearable. You can turn that into an art jacket. And let me tell you, your kids will love it if you upcycle something that they love, a piece of clothing that they've treasured, and they get more use out of it in a new way. And this will work for anything. Of course, it doesn't have to be cats. It can be trains or dogs or ice cream cones, whatever you have. And if you don't have any old t-shirts, of course, you can go to Joann's Fabrics or something and find some nice t-shirt material there. I would suggest definitely sticking with t-shirt material for this. And it simply has to do with because there's going to be a lot of these all over the coat and you don't want them all fraying. So this will definitely keep that from happening. So I'm going to cut these out. I have these cut out now. And since I want to put these on the front and the back and the sleeves, I'm going to take one of each of these colors and a couple of these pieces. They're not full kitties. And I'm going to save those for the other section. Take another one here. And then the rest of these are going to be laid out here in some kind of random order. And I kind of want to give them the look of patches. Now just kind of random, as though they're covering up a patch. I think that would be really, really cute. So I'm going to spend some time rearranging and see how I like it. I have this laid out the way I want, and I'm just going to start laying these down. And my iron is at the highest heat before you get to the steam settings. So you don't want to use steam on these. I have ironed them in place, and aren't they cute? I love how they look. They're adorable. And so now, let's do the front side. I need to remember to save some for the sleeves. And unfortunately, I don't have a whole lot left. So I think I might cut a couple of these in half just to make a little bit more. I like this layout for the front. So I'm going to start ironing these down. And I've already peeled away that back one. I have 2 of these left, and I was thinking about putting them down here somewhere, but if they wanted to roll up their sleeves, I could see that damaging that. I'm not sure, but just to be on the safe side, I'm thinking about putting them here instead, one on each side. I think that adds just kind of a cute, unexpected element to the jacket. And I'm just going to eyeball this. I'm not going to worry about it too much, whether it's really centered, since all the other kitties are just random. All of the kitty patches have been ironed on. It's basically done. You can stop right now and have a really cute finished jacket, or you can add some bling to it, which is what I'm going to do. I have added these cute little crystals to the glass area. I'm not going to do it with every kitty. I'm just going to do it with this top one. These are a couple of Swarovski crystals. I know I pronounce that wrong every time. But there's a couple Swarovski crystals there. And then the rest of these are just cheaper crystals that I bought on Amazon. And I'm just going to add crystals to this center back panel here. And then I'll add a couple more on the front. And I think after that it'll be done. Now these crystals are flat back They don't have any glue or anything on them. And the easiest way, well, for me, I have found in my trial and error stuff, I have found that the easiest way to put these on is to have this really high-tech tool. And I'm just going to smear some E6000 glue on the top of that. And then take the crystal and just dab it lightly with some of that glue. And then gently lay it in place. And it's done. What a cute coat, and it was quick and easy, and nobody else in the world is going to have a coat like this. What fun! If you like the content of my channel, please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. I release videos every Wednesday evenings and Sunday mornings. Thanks for stopping by, and have a creative week.